Hi everyone, Frank Verni here. Welcome to another edition of Real Estate Help by Frank. The feds have just announced the payout terms for the mortgage fraud settlement, and it isn't really very pretty. Only in America can one be fraudulently foreclosed on, lose their home, have their credit ruined, only to be compensated less than $1,000 for the ordeal. Payments are scheduled to begin this week to a whopping 4.2 million borrowers who are part of the settlement. The agreement, which was reached early this year, provides $3.6 billion in cash payments to borrowers whose homes were in any stage of foreclosure process for the years 2009 or 2010. I've attached the payout schedule below this video, as well as a list of the banks involved for your review. It appears that those homeowners that requested review of their foreclosure will get more than those that didn't, with the vast majority getting somewhere between $300 and $600. Some of the payments are much higher, up to $125,000 for active military personnel where banks conducted illegal foreclosures. People who were protected by bankruptcy laws. Those homeowners that were in various stages of loan modification, with some that were even approved. There were even some foreclosures on homeowners that were not even in default. Nearly a third of all foreclosed borrowers who faced proceedings came to the brink of losing their homes due entirely to potential bank errors or practices that are now banned. This is an astounding number of people being treated badly by banks and homes that were being seized left and right. Now these banks have added insult to injury with such small payments, and this settlement leaves these folks on their own to sue in order to recover any real damages. Individuals suing big banks. How do you think that's going with our clogged courts and massive expenses just to proceed with a civil case? Now, if all of this wasn't bad enough, it was disclosed that under the settlement, the feds allowed the banks to determine who had been harmed and in what manner, and then just spot check the work by the banks by reviewing about 3% of the files. Not a very big sample if you ask me. Now, there's another hearing by the Senate Banking Committee this week. Let's hope that we hear more about made-up numbers from the banks and their payout decisions on the settlement. Who knew that one could settle with the government and then write your own term details, complete with a tally of your victims? Somehow, this just doesn't feel right. Now, my name is Frank Verni. If you could use some help with any real estate matter, please contact me, or if you know someone that's thinking of buying or selling, please send them my way. If you found this interesting, please do me a favor, forward it to someone that could use it, or share on your Facebook page. I'd also appreciate any comments below, or subscribe for further updates. See you again soon. Have a good day.